Hello besties, and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas with me, day 10. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this morning, we're heading over to the farmers market because we do a little bit of grocery shopping there. I need to get some veggies because I do like to make my own juices at home. We're also going to go get our spam egg. If you know, you know. We haven't had our coffee yet, but I think I'm going to get one at the farmers market just to elevate the experience a little bit more. Let's start heading that way. Oh my god, I love it here so much, but we first headed over to get our spam egg. I did see that there was a coffee spot right in front of them, so I headed that way to get our morning coffee. Some salmon jerky from the farmers market. Let's open it and have some together. She had 3 different flavors and this one was my favorite one and it was so good. I don't know if you guys have seen the salmon candy has been going viral, and I think this is somewhat similar to that. This is so hard to open, by the way. It reminds me of those honey sticks. It's very shiny. It does have sesame seeds in it. It says it's high in protein, there's no nitrates, and has omega-3. It's also family owned. Look how long this one is. It does have a little bit of oil at the bottom. Today is kind of like that lazy day that I've been wanting to have. But yesterday I took the whole day to just clean the house and do things that I've been needing to do, which was more of a productive day for us. I can finally walk barefoot in the house. I'm not gonna get crumbs stuck in my feet. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching and supporting my YouTube channel, even though I'm a newbie here. For right now though, we're gonna go pick up some lunch. I do want to refill my, it's not a hydro flask, but I'll just, I don't know how you call it, refill my flask with more unsweet tea because I love waking up to some cold unsweet tea, especially those nights when you just wake up and you're like super thirsty, and that's so refreshing in the middle of the night. I don't even have to get up to go get water or anything. I have my unsweet tea right on my nightstand. So we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A and then we're gonna go get lunch for both of us, and then we're gonna come back home. I do want to watch Christmas movies with you guys, also read my new book and edit my YouTube videos. So I think that's going to be all it for today. I do want to make it a little bit cozy for you guys just because, like, you know, come on, like, I gotta give you something, you know? I just want to take a moment to breathe because Vlogmas has been kicking my ass, and I'll be right back to open our advent calendar together. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, besties, so I know I just told you I was going to take a chill pill and relax for the whole day, but I just remember some of the stuff that I wanted to do yesterday and I didn't do it. I ended up doing some other stuff. I haven't cleaned my car in about almost a month. It's not as bad as you think, but she's still dirty, so I do want to get her clean before tomorrow comes around, because tomorrow we're gonna be doing other stuff and that I already planned. Stick along so you guys can come with me. We just placed our order, but tell me why there's always like an argument happening right in front of me. A guy that was in front of me was placing his order and then decided to pay with a $100 bill. They didn't want to take the $100 bill, and then he got mad. He literally like left. He's still parked in the Chick-fil-A parking lot. He's like staring, and then the girl that was taking his order, now she feels worried because like, what's going on? Small little arguments like that always happen in front of me. I don't know why. Okay, let's start refilling her up real quick. Can I get a bowl? White rice, please. We are back at home. Our cozy evening starts now. Lately, I've been having my mom on FaceTime to help me season my chicken a little bit differently. That way we don't get bored of eating at home. Even though it was late, I still wanted to spend some time outside, so I headed over to a rooftop where I can be closer to the fire and edit my video as well as read my new book.